That is too cute. Morning everybody, nice to see you back here again. Obviously suckers for punishment and seriously boring videos, but you know, nice to have you here. So, what we're doing today? Well, from some of the footage you've already seen, you may well have guessed that I'm back where I was last week. It kind of felt a bit wrong really to talk about doing all those things last week, you know, going to the bomber site and then going to the Coniston mine works and then not doing it. So I'm back walking up copper mines. We're going to pretty much pick up where Faye and I left off, cut out Weatherlam, and we're going to head up to the prison band and we're going to carry on with the walk. So, there she is. There's our Finn. Having a good old sniff. Wait there. Good dog. Woo! Thanks. Onwards we go. Pretty cold this morning. About 5 degrees in the car as I left it. And I think in the valley it's going to get up to about 15 today. But at the top it's going to stay at about 5 degrees. It does feel very industrial around this part of the valley, with all the quarry works further up. There's like big piles of stuff everywhere. Here's a fun little factoid for you. These fells here have been mined for 400 years, going right back to Elizabeth I. And it was her that decided to bring in the expertise of German miners, because apparently they were the best in the world. Okay, this is Levers Waterfall, dropping down from the top there from Levers Water, running all the way down into Levers Water Beck. Back at Levers Water. Beautiful light at the moment. Absolutely beautiful. We've now reached the point where last week we abandoned and went down. So on the col between Weatherlam and Swirl How, and just how fantastic is that looking now? That light is just out of this world. Not a bad view that, is it, Phineas? Not bad at all. What you doing? Good time, Finn? Yeah. Come on, let's go. Look over my shoulder here, you can see it coming in on the bow fell. So rugged up. Fins all rugged up. Any fin? Almost matching. Good job. We've got a bit of a monkey's wedding going on here, where it's raining and sunny at the same time. Love it. It's got the summit of Swirl How here. Finn's minesweeping for butty crumbs. Swirl How, not a bad summit at all. You can see quite a lot from here. It's got Grey Fry over there to the left. Way over in the distance you got Scarfell Pike. In the foreground, the dark object, that is Great Cars, that's where we're going to go in a minute. And that is where the crash site of the Halifax bomber is. You got Bowfell. I mean, you can even see Skidder from here. Pike Stickle over there. Beautiful. Helvellyn. Fairfield. Langdale Tarn. Cute little dog. Summit of Swirl How. Spin right round. You can see Windermere. You can see a hell of a lot of rain being put down now over that way, over Grisdale. You can just make out Coniston. That's Morecambe Bay in the background. The Old Man. Some walkers. Dow Crag looking awesome. There's a few herdies. And way over this is Black Coombe. If I had to step over here, you can see, you know, this is, you know, some big drops here. It's chilly up here. Well, in a minute we're going to head on over to Great Cars, which is over here, there, and that's where the bomber site is, so we'll go and check that out, and then we'll head on back towards the Old Man and probably get a bit of lunch, I think. Mexican standoff going on here. Crash site of the Halifax bomber. 1944, I think it crashed. Canadian crew all died. Finway there. I think what happened was it was low cloud. They were flying, trying to get back to wherever it was they were getting back to. Flying too low in the cloud, and then hit the fell side here, skidded for a bit, and it just disintegrated into a ball of flames. Finn, come here. Come here. I think parts of it flew off the edge of Great Cars, and let me show you what that edge is like. There's the remainder of the wreckage there, bounced off the fell side here, and bits of it carried on going right off the edge here, down into the valley below. And the engine is down there somewhere, one of them. You can actually go and find it. That dog has got a death wish. Come on. Woo! It is raining hard now. Right. Back on the top of the Swirl How again, you can see the conical bit there, that's the summit of Swirl How. It's kind of where we came up. What I'm going to do now is head on over to the old man. That's the old man in the cloud. That's a cute dog in the foreground. That pointy bit right above Finn's head, that's where I think we're going to have our lunch. Hey Hurdy! There's the old man on the left. Dark crag, pointy bit in the clouds, gorgeous. Seathwaite Tarn. That's now looking down into the Duddon Valley. And just over to the right there, the pointy bit, that is Heart of Fell, where I was just a few weeks ago doing one of the vlogs. That's where we've come from. Swirl How, way over in the distance there. Gorgeous light. Whew. That's Raven Tor, the one that's lit up now. Beautiful. In fact, that's the way I'm going down, hopefully. I'm going to go down to low water, which is that. And you can also make out the YHA down there, the white building. You can see Windermere in the distance. There's Coniston Village. Coniston Water with some nice little boats on it. And there's the summit there with loads of people. It's always crowded up here. Guys at Water to Go kindly sent me one of these bottles. It's supposed to filter out 99.9% of all the nasty critters out of the water. So I asked them, you know, can it filter out dead sheep further up the becks and what have you? And they assured me that it could, so they sent me one. So what I'm going to do is over the next various vlogs and what have you, I'm going to try it out, give it a go. If this works and I don't die, it could be a real game changer for me. Because at the moment I'm bringing 3 litres of water with me on every single walk now. As you know, water is heavy. So if I can cut down on water and carry a single bottle up, and then when I run out, just fill it up at a beck or a Ghyll like this. If I don't die, then we're good. Right, it's low water done. Heading on down to the all the mine works now. It's quite an interesting little spot. Big massive cables lying around and tracks where they used to obviously run the little carts full of whatever it was they were full of. Incredibly spooky place this is. Very, very eerie. That's where I stood a minute ago up there. Can you see? What can you see, Finn? Where's the dragon? Okie dokie, almost back down, just in line with the YHA now. What a great day today. I've had a lot of fun today. Finn's had a lot of fun today. even though she got soaked at the top. But it was nice to complete the mission Coniston, or Coniston mission, what the hell I called it. You know, to get to the bomber, get to the top of the old man, and to do the quarry stuff at the mine, whatever it is, the Coniston quarry doodah. It's great. Thanks for watching again today, guys. Really appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments that you're putting on and questions and what have you. So try and answer them. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Now then, I'm back. I forgot to mention, if you've got any ideas for walks that you'd like to see me go on, you know, stuff you've not seen done, or places you've heard about and you'd like to see it, like to see a vlog, just let me know in the comments, and I'll add it to the list, see what I can do. No rock climbing stuff, alright, I'm not a rock climber, but anything else, not a problem, so just let me know.